What's happening, everyone? JayShockblast here, and check it out. If you follow the channel, you know that I am sponsored by Elgato. They have been a fantastic partner for many years now, and I absolutely love the products. You can see them all over my room right now. You've got the Elgato light, you got my hat, you've even got some boxes right here. You got the light strips, I got the key lights, I got another hat right there. I'm all Elgato'd out. One of my favorite products is the Wave 3 microphone. This is a microphone you are seeing now at this point in almost everybody's videos. This is probably one of the most famous streamer mics on the market right now. It's, as far as I'm concerned, the best mic I've ever had. I've had 3 of them, okay? You see this one right here? This was the launch mic, and actually that box right there is what it came in. And then you can see right here, that is my beta unit, all right? And then I got another one in a big package from 2K that they sent out to everybody, and I actually sent that one to Doomkiller. This is the first time in the history of the Wave 3 microphone, a microphone, by the way, I was one of the first people in the world using, okay? It's the first time I've got a retail package, okay? And one of the things that I think is very important and speaks to just how much I believe in Elgato products. I bought this one with my own money. So you're probably asking yourself, JayShockblast, why did you buy your 4th Wave 3 microphone? Okay, there's a really good reason for it. We're gonna open it up right now, and I'm gonna show you one of the most gorgeous things. This is a product that's really special to me, okay? Because not only is it how you hear me, like literally in all my videos for the past few years, but again, I had a beta unit. I have a beta unit right there. I'm never getting rid of that microphone. I'm never using it again. It's gonna sit there as a trophy from now until forever, okay? That microphone is so special to me. To be able to be a part of a product launch like that, to be able to be one of the people that got to try it out is simply amazing. And I had to keep it secret. Miguel, I think I almost made him cry when I sent him a picture. I had a big red, like little poofy thing over the microphone so nobody could see it. But this is the inside of the Elgato box, right? I've never opened one of these. 4th mic, never opened one, all right? But as we do open it, you're gonna see that it does come with the card and explains how you set it up. It comes with this pretty Elgato box, which has, I'm assuming, the wire. And then we're gonna take the second layer off, and let me show you something. I haven't even seen it yet. All right, this is the limited edition, okay? Limited edition blue version. I just have to figure out how to open it. All right, there we go. Oh, look at that. It had an Elgato sticker. All right, ready? Oh, it's like my best. Oh man, look at this. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. So here's the thing. Maybe I could have requested this, right? Maybe. All right. Look at that. Look at that. It's got the little blue Elgato logos on it. All right. This is like the color of my high school's colors, like the Holy Name Napoleons. We were this baby blue kind of color, right? This microphone is absolutely gorgeous, all right? And when you look in everybody else's videos, everybody has this black microphone. You're not going to see many of these limited edition blue microphones, and I had to have it. And to me, it's limited edition. I believe in this product. I've had 3. I haven't bought any of them. I bought this, okay? I paid for it. I think it's sold out at this point, so you can't even get it. There was a white version as well with the Elgato logos built into it. But, man, this is just such an awesome, amazing microphone, as you can hear right now. I've got an AC blowing over there. I've got a little fan right over there, and you're hearing me. The Wavelength software is just incredible. It's like a mini mixer right there on your computer. So I had to have this. I just did. And I wasn't going to ask for it because, again, it's a limited edition product, and when you believe in something, you're willing to pay for it. And honestly, the guys and gals at Elgato, they've taken care of me for so long, and they've been so amazing to me. I'm honored to buy this. I am like a super fan, and I really am happy I have this. Unfortunately, if you missed Prime Day, you missed a great opportunity. I think it was like 25% off for the Elgato Wave 3 microphone on Amazon, but they do go on sale all the time, and I cannot recommend this microphone enough. It is the best microphone on the market. You watch your favorite streamers, you're gonna see they're using this microphone, all right? And now, when you watch me, you're gonna see the baby blue Elgato Wave 3 microphone on the screen. I'm just telling you. And just like that, we have it sitting right here. It might be a little loud. I haven't done anything to actually like set it up. I literally just plugged it in. The one thing I wish there was like a baby blue shock mount, because it feels like such a shame to take it off of this. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. There is also the wind frame, and I don't know wind stream. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I mean, eventually I'm gonna put this back on, but I just wanted to set it up now. But now I'm gonna have this pretty blue version of the microphone, and all the other normies are gonna have the black one. There is a white version, again, one with the limited edition patterns, and I believe there is actually just a white version available for sale as well. So definitely check out the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. Best microphone on the market. I could say that. I've had more than most people, and now I bought one, and I'm very, very proud of the fact that I did that, because, you know, I was set up pretty fine with this one, you know? Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this one, but this one's special to me too, you know what I mean? So, such an amazing microphone. Thank you, Elgato, for always taking care of me, and I'm so glad to be able to contribute. Anyway, I don't think you can get this anymore. I think it's sold out. It also came with like a limited edition little Stream Deck plate, but I got that a couple weeks ago. This finally just came today, so I don't even remember where I put it. I have a custom nameplate. So anyway, Elgato Wave 3 microphone. No matter whether you get one of the special edition ones like me, or you're just, you know, plain black or white, best mic on the market, hands down. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you.